Peace and blessings. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, today I am going to be bringing you two beautiful styles using my custom frontal and my custom 4x4 closure. Yes, they both are simply amazing, and I'm going to show you just how to use them. They are as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's jump into this video. Peace and blessings, fam. Today, yes, today, I am going to bring you a beautiful, exceptional style. One of my favorite hairstyles for achieving beautiful, gorgeous looks without hair damage is crochet braids. And as you can see here, today my client does have some significant alopecia and some significant hair loss. Yes, but no worries, ladies. My client today has come about 5 hours. She drove 5.5 hours to get to me to get her hair done today, and she will not be let down. Second hydration, I first moisturize and hydrate with my hair growth butter, and then I go in with my hair growth oil. Yes, because I want to make sure that my client's hair is well hydrated, because unfortunately people, I just have to put it out there, are not moisturizing and hydrating their hair regularly like they should. So when you leave, I want to make sure that your hair is definitely hydrated to my satisfaction. So as you can see here, I always take my time with my clients. I love on my clients' hair because this is what I love doing, and promoting hair growth, because I have many clients who have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, damaged hair. I want to make sure that I'm loving on their hair and giving their hair the TLC that it needs. Rest, relax, and most of all, grow. So here you just see me filling in. I'm going to make this nice and full because I don't want anyone to know that she has any hair loss in any areas. So I'm also going to add a pop of color. You guys going to see me add in a different color. Yes, that is a number 30 that I threw in there just to give this style a pop. And oh my gosh, look at this. Look how natural it looks. This looks like her own natural hair on the sides, on her edges. As you remember, she had no edges, no sides. Now look, she can wear this in many styles. She can wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Your natural hair, you are still pulling on your natural braids. You are still pulling on your hair. So this way you are not putting any tension, any stress, and any pulling on your natural hair. It's all on the cap. And look at that part. You can't tell me that doesn't look like her natural scalp. And that's what my custom closure and my custom frontal does for you. It gives you that natural scalp looking, and no one will ever know that you have any hair loss or any hair thinning. If you found this video of value and you are here for the first time, please subscribe and tap that bell to support my channel. TsBraidsWeaves and Wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas. Peace and blessings, fam. So today I am going to be bringing you a beautiful crochet style with hair loss. Yes, alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, it does not matter. I can work with it all. So yes, today my client has some hair loss in the front, in the sides, and some at the top. Her hair is pretty healthy in the back and in the middle, so I am going to do what? Start off moisturizing her hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, as always, I assess my client's hair and I get to moisturizing and giving them a deep hair and scalp massage. Yes, I said a hair and scalp massage. Yes, because I want to make sure that I am moisturizing not only her scalp but her hair as well. So yes, tap the link to get your order in today. The link is in the description below. My prices are very affordable. The small jars are $10 and our large jars are only what? $20. Yes, our hair growth butter is packed with 100% all natural ingredients to promote hair growth. Yes, we have grapeseed oil, almond oil, flaxseed oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil. Yes, we have packed it with all the essential oils needed to promote hair growth. So yes, here I am. I am not only massaging her hair and her scalp where she has hair at, but definitely also in those areas where she has hair loss. Yes, ladies, we want to make sure that we get those areas that have hair loss as well. I want to make sure that I get that G&G moisturized into those hair follicles. Yes, those hair follicles need to be massaged and they need to be moisturized as well to promote hair growth. And as you can see, I am going in a circular motion, although I speeded the video up 4 times to make sure that the video is not too long but yet still detailed and giving you all the tips and the tricks that I do when I am working with clients with hair loss. Look at that massage. Oh my goodness, she was telling me how good this feels to her hair. Just to have her stylist go in and massage and also do what? My brush method. Yes, ladies, I always make sure that I am brushing my client's hair as well as the hair in the scalp massage. Yes, brushing is super essential to stimulating the hair follicles to promote hair growth. You also distribute those natural oils from your scalp down your hair shafts when you are doing your brushing. So yes, ladies, please make sure that you are brushing your hair as well as your stylist before getting your protective style in, because yes, we want to make sure that our hair is being massaged and our scalp as well as that brush process that I just did. Here you're going to see that I am doing a braid pattern. Yes, I'm going to do a braid and a twist pattern. Yes, if you have not seen my twist pattern, please check it out on some of my other videos as well as this one. I am doing my twist method because I want to make sure that I'm not putting too much tension and too much stress on her natural hair, as her hair is very fragile already. So as you can see in the middle here, I did my twist method and I just twisted it. After doing the 3 strands, maybe about 2 sections of 3 strands, and I went right into the twist method. And here I am going to be sewing down this net cap. Yes, I'm going to use a net cap because this is going to protect her natural hair as well as give me something else to crochet on other than her hair. Yes, I'm going to put as less weight on her natural hair as possible, and this cap is going to make sure that I am capable of doing just that. So first I'm going to sew it down because I definitely want to make sure that it's stable on the sides, because again, she does not have much hair in the front and at the top. So I want to sew down this cap on the sides to stabilize it and make sure that it is comfortable. I am trimming around her ears. Yes, as you can see here, I trim that cap around her ears because I want this cap to be as comfortable as possible on this natural style while she has this style in. So please continue to keep watching and see how I create this beautiful crochet style. It's going to look absolutely natural, and I'm going to show you exactly the tip that I use to make sure that this style looks as natural as possible. You will not be able to tell that she has any hair loss anywhere. What? Here it is. This is my custom. Yes, my handmade custom 4x4 closure. Yes, this is amazing. This is what's going to make her hair look so natural. Her parts are going to look like her natural scalp. So continue to keep watching and see how I install this beautiful, amazing 4x4 closure. Remember, you can tap the link in the description to get your order in today. Yes, it's going to look natural. And again, it is only sold on my website, and it is amazing for those who have hair loss, short hair, damaged hair, or even healthy hair. Yes, so continue to keep watching. And again, as you can see, no glue is needed. This is super healthy for your hair. Let's get away from that glue and let's use the most natural, healthiest method for our hair. All right, family, so as you can see, I've already started crocheting. Yes, we are using some wavy ombre color 1B30 locks. Yes, these are some crochet locks, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I love this hair. I love working with this hair. I mean, it keeps its pattern, and that's what I love. I love that the pattern does not change. It doesn't unravel, it doesn't shed, it doesn't slip. So this hair is absolutely easy to work with, very manageable, low maintenance. So if you are looking for a low maintenance crochet style, you might want to try these wavy crochet locks. Again, the color is 1B30, and I've already started crocheting, but the essential step was me creating cornrows in that 4x4 closure. That is what's going to give it this beautiful look right here. As you can see, I am showing her how it looks. She is absolutely amazed how beautiful it came out. As you can see, she can wear it in many different styles. She can wear a left side part, a right side part. She can wear it in the back, pulled up. She just look how beautiful this looks. Of course, unfortunately, she would not let me show her face, but as you can see, that part looks absolutely natural. It looks like her natural scalp. No one will ever be able to tell that she has any hair loss. The style was nice and full. She has some wavy hair in the front that also gives it a natural look. So we went from this to this, from that to this. Yes, it is absolutely beautiful, amazing. Again, get your order in for my custom made 4x4 closure so that you can look amazing as well. Stay safe and stay blessed.